Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I want to clarify something for you real quick. Last week I posted a video about the top 3 pre-emergents that professionals use and why they're better than the average stuff that you can just buy off the shelf. And maybe it was the headline of the video, or maybe I said something that was misleading or confusing. But we had somebody comment on that video and say that we just weren't telling the truth because those products are the same products that homeowners can buy, the products I was talking about, and that we're just trying to sell our service as better than what the average homeowner can just do on their own. And I want to clarify that, and I actually said this in that video. Maybe this individual didn't watch the entire video, but I said this towards the end of the video. The 3 products I talked about, prodiamine, simazine, and spectacle, homeowners can buy those. Anybody can buy those products and put them on their own lawn. We're not trying to hide that fact at all. Anyone can go out or go online and order these products, purchase these products, and apply them, and get great results from them. The thing I was talking about, what I was trying to differentiate was the quality of them. The average, most homeowner products are either gallery or dimension. That's what you find in these granular products that you buy off the shelf. Those products are good, they do work, but the stuff that professionals use does work better. That's why we use it. But that's not to say that a homeowner can't go out and buy the exact same product and put it out there themselves. You can. We don't try to hide that simply because the people that are going to do it themselves are going to do it themselves. The information's out there. You can find it and do it yourself. And those that aren't going to do it themselves aren't going to do it themselves. But we're just trying to provide the information to help you make the best decision and get the best results with your lawn care program, whether you're doing it or having somebody else do it. So hope that helps and hope that clarifies some things. If you have any questions about it, feel free to let us know. Thanks.